Comparing fiberglass, vinyl, and wood windows. Dear friends, choosing the right material for your windows is like picking the right ingredient for your favorite recipe. Each material, wood, fiberglass, and vinyl, brings its own flavor to the mix, influencing not only the look of your home but also its comfort and efficiency. Wood windows. Wood is the classic choice. It's like a cherished family recipe passed down through generations. Wood offers unmatched natural beauty and an inherent warmth, making it a favorite for traditional and historic home renovations. However, it requires a bit more care to keep its charm. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass is the strong, silent type. Although it's newer to the market than wood, it has quickly made a name for itself due to its durability and energy efficiency. It can mimic the look of wood without demanding as much maintenance, making it a solid choice for those who love the look of wood but not the upkeep. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is the practical, no-fuss option. It's like a weeknight dinner that's easy to prepare but still satisfying. Vinyl windows are budget-friendly, offer good insulation, and require little maintenance. They're available in various styles and colors, though they may not have the same bespoke charm as wood. It's like choosing what to wear when you're picking out windows. Some materials are cozy and warm, while others are easy to take care of. Let's compare three popular types: fiberglass, vinyl, and wood. Cost comparison. Think of wood windows as designer outfits. They look amazing but can be pricey. Vinyl windows are more like your everyday, budget-friendly clothes. Fiberglass falls in the middle, offering a good mix of style and value. Durability and maintenance. Vinyl is the low-maintenance friend, so it needs a quick cleaning occasionally. Fiberglass is strong and stands up well in bad weather and time. Wood windows need more care to keep looking good, like a favorite jacket that requires regular cleaning. Energy efficiency. All three have their perks. Wood and fiberglass are great at keeping your house warm in winter and cool in summer. The vinyl is pretty good, but it might not be the best in extreme weather. Aesthetic and customization options. Wood is beautiful. It can be painted or stained to match your home perfectly. Fiberglass also offers some customization, but vinyl is a bit limited in looks, though it still has plenty of choices to fit most homes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.